Hi, welcome to NCERT CBSE Class 6 History Chapter 9 Vital Villages, Thriving Towns. And in this video, we will learn every point in the section Crafts and Craftspersons, Part 1. This comprises 12 questions. Question 1. Their dash for crafts. The options are coin markings, are inscriptions, is geographical evidence, is archaeological evidence. Your time to choose. And the answer is archaeological evidence. So, there is archaeological evidence for crafts. Question 2. Archaeological evidence exists for dash. The options are crafts, surfaces, inscriptions, all of these. Your time to choose. And the answer is crafts. So, archaeological evidence exists for crafts. Question 3. The archaeological evidence for crafts includes dash. The options are stone slabs and pillars, statues, extremely fine pottery, stone slabs, statues, and pillars. Your time to choose. And the answer is extremely fine pottery. So, the archaeological evidence for crafts includes extremely fine pottery. Question 4. Extremely fine pottery is known as dash. The options are blackware, redware, black and redware, the northern black polished ware, NBPW. Your time to choose. And the answer is the northern black polished ware, NBPW. So, extremely fine pottery is known as the northern black polished ware, NBPW. Question 5. The northern black polished ware, NBPW, gets its name because it is found in dash. The options are the southern part of the subcontinent, North India, the northwestern part of the subcontinent, the northern part of the subcontinent. Your time to choose. And the answer is the northern part of the subcontinent. So, the northern black polished ware, NBPW, gets its name because it is found in the northern part of the subcontinent. Next question 6. The archaeological evidence for many crafts dash. The options are may have survived, is not disclosed, is destroyed by wars, may not have survived. Your time to choose. And the answer is may not have survived. So, the archaeological evidence for many crafts may not have survived. Question 7. From dash, we know that the manufacture of cloth was important. The options are inscriptions, texts, polished ware, archaeological evidence. Your time to choose. And the answer is texts. So, from texts, we know that the manufacture of cloth was important. Question 8. From texts, we know that dash was important. The options are ornament making, shipbuilding, pottery, the manufacture of cloth. Your time to choose. And the answer is the manufacture of cloth. So, from texts, we know that the manufacture of cloth was important. Question 9. Dash for manufacture of cloth were Varanasi in the north and Madurai in the south. The options are famous centers, small centers, other centers, none of these. Your time to choose. And the answer is famous centers. So, famous centers for manufacture of cloth were Varanasi in the north and Madurai in the south. Question 10. Famous centers for dash were Varanasi in the north and Madurai in the south. The options are manufacture of gold, weaving, manufacture of cloth, all of these. Your time to choose. And the answer is manufacture of cloth. So, famous centers for manufacture of cloth were Varanasi in the north and Madurai in the south. Next question 11. Famous centers for manufacture of cloth were dash. The options are Varanasi in the north, Madurai in the south, A and B, Daujalli heading in the northeast. Your time to choose. And the answer is A and B. So, famous centers for manufacture of cloth were Varanasi in the north and Madurai in the south. Question 12, last question. Both dash worked in the famous cloth manufacturing centers. The options are men and women, men and children, women and children, Vaishyas and Shudras. Your time to choose. And the answer is men and women. So, both men and women worked in the famous cloth manufacturing centers. Okay, so in this video, we learned every point in the section Crafts and Craftspersons Part 1. In the next video, we will learn every point in the section Crafts and Craftspersons Part 2. I'll see you there.